What's up everyone? My name is Jadrian and welcome to the channel. Some of the main reasons why I wanted to get back into vlogging, well, thinking about it, I don't vlog at all. But other than that, some of the main reasons why I wanted to get back into vlog or start vlogging is I got a lot of positive feedback and a lot of interest of like kind of some of the projects I've done, and so this is like kind of the best platform to give you guys that more visual idea, and hopefully that will inspire you. That way you guys can do something at home or whatever it is on your car and other projects that inspires you. So that's one of the main reasons. So yeah. All right, enough about me. I will probably do like a whole introduction video later, but for now I want to reveal the newest project that I'm super stoked about. Y'all ready? So we had to come up with a name for the bike, and of course my wife Serena named my Mazda, my RX-7, Stella. So it only seems proper that she names this new bike. So say hi.
Hi.
So we had a few names, but for now I think it's only proper for her to kind of reveal the new name. So
Alright, so this bad boy we've decided to name Rory the Roadster.
Rory, the racing car. Rory, my #1 star.
Give it up for Rory.
but yeah, I think it's a good name.
I like Alfred.
What was so she had other names as well. What were the other names?
Alfred, because it's like older and classy, or Ralphie, like, yeah, Wreck-It Ralph. But we didn't want you to wreck the bike. So we settled on Rory the Roadster because the bike goes roar, roar.
I don't know, I like it. It's catchy. Rory the Roadster, I think that's pretty good. So, a little bit more details on the bike. It is a 1977 Honda CB550, and Rory is a rust bucket. I picked it up in San Jose from a dude named Nick. Super cool dude. I'm just excited to build my first project bike. My first project car was Stella. It was a Mazda RX-7 FC series, and now I have my first project bike. Yeah! So as you can see here on the tank, we do got some rust here. We do have some rust on the frame. And there's some really bad rusty parts, but I think we will be able to clean that out. But again, a lot of the parts that are missing right now, they are in these two blue bins that I picked up from the previous owner, and just got to put everything together. So but again, a lot of the stuff will be restored from the ground up when it comes to the seat, suspension lines, and that whole 9 yards. So the first thing I'm going to do on this bike is we're going to take everything apart. I'm going to take the engine out, and I think if I have time today, I am going to work on the carbs. So I'm going to work on these guys right here, because I did pick up a rebuild kit from 4into1 shop that is located in San Francisco, which is super local. Shipping didn't take too long, which I was super excited. And so I think I will go ahead and rebuild these carbs today. All right, let's get started. First off, I am going to wear my overalls that I haven't worn in forever. Man, it feels nice to wear this again. It's been a good minute. And it's super baggy. I forgot how baggy these things were. Do a dance in them. All right. Alright, quick little update. We're about to take the motor out. We got all the bolts and everything out the way. Man, the most stubborn one was this one right here. Super rusted. The bolt from here was like stuck and would not move. But I got my my other mechanic, partner in crime, to help me out. Take this motor out. Here you go. Show him your jumpsuit, yo. Look at how baggy that thing is. You can't even see her shoe. Dang. Here we go. Look at us. And we are rocking our Crocs. Look at our Crocs, yo. Dun, dun, dun.
It's a new look.
That's how we do it.
It's a new look. Welcome to S&J's Auto Shop.
Yeah. So now that we have the engine out, I am going to go ahead and sand this thing out, take out some of the blemishes that the previous owner had, making it nice and smooth, taking all the rust out. So we still here, so this still has rust. Some of the engine parts have still, yep, like that, boom. And then that way I'm able to paint it and make it look nice. That way we can take all the rust out, make it look clean. But other than that, yeah, I'm glad the engine's out. Thanks to Serena, the wifey, helping me out. And that's it, y'all. Look at that. Boom. So as you guys know, a lot of the parts on this bike was super rusty. So this part right here, you can see like this was submerged into the liquid, and this part wasn't. And look how it just cleaned it up really, really well. So I'll probably put some parts back in there, like some of the exhaust flanges, add that back into the pan. Well, of course, get a new batch of liquid and then go from there. But man, a lot of this stuff turned out really, really nice. So I'm super excited about that. So probably redo some of these again, and then we'll go from there. That is a wrap for today's video. We made great progress today. Had the wifey help me take out the engine, cleaned out some of the parts on the bike itself, took out the rust, which was great, because man, what's what you call a total rust bucket. But man, great progress today. Thanks for watching. As they say, I don't know, like, subscribe for the sport. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video.